2008 GXP Grand Prix by Pontiac. It's got the 5.3 in it. You guys can see right there. Really nice car. Just brought it in. Got factory converter there. Then we did a resonator delete right there. We straight piped it basically. Kept his 2.5-inch pipe wide out. And then we ran straight pipes. Did a muffler delete also there and there. And put some Natami tips. Part number NT1680. It's a 2-piece system staggered stainless steel. Double wall tips to complete the look. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. Look, it fits that gap really nice, really clean. Much nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Happy? Look at that smile. Yes? He likes it. It's so loud. This sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels. That is not bad for a Grand Prix. After a good bash, look, she shines up real nice. We've had some rain, guys. So. Another satisfying customer. Love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Pontiac Grand Prix GXP 2008 5.3 liter of raw straight pipe power. Show us the power.